Hi guys, we will show you how to enter and start your Volvo V60 in case if the battery in your smart key has died. Right now the door is locked and if I press any buttons, nothing happens. The battery is dead. To remove the mechanical key we have to press this button right here, and at the same time we have to slide off the cover. Remove the mechanical key. Pull the handle towards yourself, you will see this slot right here. This is where you insert the mechanical key. Insert it all the way and then turn clockwise. Remove the key and now the door is open. Now guys, if I try to start the vehicle, nothing will happen. The car won't start and we get this message: vehicle key not found. But there is a way to start our vehicle. In the cup holder you will see a small key icon, and this is where we need to place our smart key in order to start the vehicle. I will place the key right here and look what happens now. The vehicle starts right away. Once you guys reach your destination, again you will have to use the mechanical key to lock the vehicle, because our battery is still dead. So again I will insert it all the way and now you have to turn it counterclockwise. Remove the key and now the door is locked. You will have to keep repeating this procedure until you replace the battery in your smart key.